Hello students, welcome to the channel My Home My Study. Today we are going to study the chapter from 7th standard civics. The chapter name is Introduction to our Constitution. Students, अगर अभी तक अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें और वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। और कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट में पूछ सकते हैं। फर्स्ट वन, एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग कॉन्सेप्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज प्रोविजन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. Answer is given on page number 63. You can copy down from here. The provision in the constitution are, ये पूरा आएगा, of the state etc. ठीक है. Second question, constitution day. Answer is given on page number 66. The constitution assembly, ये पूरा लेकर आएगा, is observed as constitution day. Next question, discuss. A constituent assembly was established. Answer, the leaders of the freedom movement insisted that independent India will not be governed by the laws made by the British government. They insisted that independent India will be governed by the laws made by the people of India. Therefore, to prepare a constitution for independent India, the Constituent Assembly was established. Student, यहाँ पर पॉज करके आप आंसर कॉपी कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट, डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर इज कॉल्ड द आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आंसर, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee. He had studied the constitution of the many countries in the depth and drafted our constitution. He had presented the draft constitution before the Constituent Assembly. It was discussed article by article and amendments were suggested. He answered the issues raised and made the required changes in the draft. He made every provisions of the constitution flawless. Due to this contribution in making up our contribution, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is called the architect of the Indian Constitution. See the next question. What is included in the administration of a country? Answer, governance or administration is the process of taking decisions regarding the issues before the country. Governance is undertaken by the government. The government has to make laws relating to defending boundaries, protection from external aggression, eradication of poverty, creating employment, education, health, commerce, industries, protection of weaker section, progress of women, children and tribal people, etc. Next question. Choose the right option. First is, the constitution of this country is primarily unwritten. Answer is England. Who was the president of Constituent Assembly? Answer, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Third one, who among these was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? Answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Next one, who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Answer, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Next is, answer the following question. On what subjects does the government have to make laws? Answer, the government make laws on the following subjects. First, the defense of the country and protecting people from external aggression. Second, eradication of poverty and creating employment. Third, education and health services. Fourth, framing policies to protect the weaker sections and progress of women, children and the tribal people. Fifth point, encouragement to the commerce and industries. Next question, why do we celebrate 26th January as Republic Day? Answer, we celebrate 26 January as the Republic Day because the Indian Republic came into existence on that day. The country began to be governed according to the provisions of the Constitution of India from 26th January 1950. Next question, what are the advantages of running a country as per the provisions of the constitutions? So students, यहाँ पर मैंने 6 पॉइंट दिए हैं. आपको इसमें से कोई भी 4 पॉइंट लिखना है क्योंकि एग्जाम में ये 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आता है. आंसर, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड हैव एक्सेप्टेड द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ गवर्नेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ड्यू टू the following advantages. First point, the government has to function within the rules set by the constitution. This reduces the possibility of misuse of power and high-handed administration. The right and freedom of the people are included in the constitution. The government cannot take away these rights. Thus, the constitution protects the rights and freedom of the people. It establishes the rule of law, the faith of the common people and their participation. in the government increases. This strengthens democracy. The Constitution set political ideas such as world peace, security, and preservation of human rights. The government is bound to act in the direction. The Constitution states the duties of the citizen and fixes their responsibilities. Students, यहाँ पर हमने चैप्टर नंबर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू अवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के क्वेश्चन आंसर फिनिश किए. अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें और अगर कोई भी डाउट है तो कमेंट करके पूछें और वीडियो को लाइक कर दिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.